Hey everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Fabiola Suárez and I post fashion and lifestyle content in order to entertain and educate you by offering outfit inspiration, clips of my life, and what I'm going to be doing here today, makeup tutorials. So fall is almost here, or it is fall. I don't even know what day it is. And today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys something really quick. This is what I do when I get some inspiration. I basically just like draw the eyeshadow colors that I want to incorporate in my look, so I could see more or less how is it gonna turn out to be. So let's do it. And also guys, I need to share with you something really exciting because yesterday, I think it was yesterday, I received my first PR package, you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what brand sent me a package. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 seconds in order for you to think and try to like guess which brand sent me the package. You already know this if you are following me on Instagram. I invite you to go check my Instagram out. I'll post some of my Instagram feed over in this area. So yeah, the brand that sent me a package was Loreal Paris. And guys, I'm going to be showing you a quick unboxing. I already unboxed it on my Instagram story, and if you want to see that, is on my unboxing highlights on my Instagram. So let's just open this. It's exciting. I haven't done an unboxing here ever. So this is the first thing that you see. This is the Miss Universe collection with Dayanara Torres. And look at how beautiful Dayanara looks in this picture, you guys. And they sent me a little, like, its package is really simple and all black and stuff. So let me just open this and show you what is in there. So this is just a little makeup bag. And then we have 3 pieces from this collection, which I'm going to try to incorporate in today's video. The first one is the Infallible Pro Last Waterproof Pencil Eyeliner. The next, I've been hearing so many good things about it. My good friend Nicole told me it was amazing, and this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And this I am so excited to try because this is the Color Reach Shine lipstick in the color Shining Peach. This is the color right here. It is so beautiful, you guys. So I'm gonna incorporate this in today's look, so let's just get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is my fall eyeshadow, and for that I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go in with this color right here at first. I'm gonna put that all over my crease. So guys, as you can see, I applied that yellow shade, and I also took my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I applied this yellow color right here so I could add a little bit more of a bright jello tone to my eyes. So let's see. So the next color that I'm going to be taking from the Jaclyn Hill palette, let me see, I'm gonna be doing, so the next color that I'm going to be applying is from the same Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna be taking this color right here, this orange shade. I got inspired by fall colors, and for that I always think about yellow, browns, reds, and oranges when fall comes. So those are the colors that are inspiring me to do this eye makeup look. I'm going to be applying all of that on my crease. So I already finished applying that orange shade and yellow shade on my crease, and I think that's it for the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Zero palette. I'm going to be going in with some red shade. It's not really a red shade, but like more of a brown shade. I think I'm going to be choosing this color right here, and I'm going to be focusing that on the outer corners of my eyes. And it's okay if it's patchy, because I am taking, like, every time I apply a crease color, I'm taking this Neutrogena wipe and I'm swiping it so I can clean that up. So don't pay attention to that. Like, makeup is messy, but in the end it turns out perfectly. Now I'm going to be doing a cut crease. Oh, this is not a concealer. So I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm going to take my mirror. So a little trick that I learned from Nicole Guerrero was to apply this on the crease area and then look upwards, and you see, like, it really cut out the shape of your eye, like to the top region. So now I'm just going to be blending that. What a perfect line. Wow, I fear that I'm gonna ruin it. Let me just do this calmly. Okay guys, so I already cleaned the top part of my eyes and applied the glitter. This is how it looks. I think it looks really pretty, perfect for fall time. So the next thing that I'm going to be applying is this green shade right here on my lower lash line. This is probably gonna get covered up by some concealer and stuff, but I'm just going to do it just to like see how it's going to turn out. Okay guys, so I try to fix it. The eyes are obviously not complete. I still need to try the mascara, and I still need to put some false eyelashes, but I'm gonna give my eyes a break, and I'm going to be working with my foundation and with my face. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using my Studio Skin Smashbox foundation. So, oh wait, I haven't applied primer. Let's apply some primer. So the primer that I'm going to be using is the same one, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And now that I have applied that on my face, I'm going to go ahead with my foundation. So now that I applied foundation all over my face, I'm going to be using... Okay guys, so this is how my eyes are turning out to be. I corrected some of the shades, especially the lower lash line shade, and I also applied the same colors on my crease to just like make them pop a little bit and blend them all together. So like, this is how the eyeshadow turned out to be. Now I'm going to be trying the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Let me just open this. I love opening new makeup. Here it is. So I'm going to be trying this on. Wow, look at the little spoolie thing, like the... not the spoolie, is this also called spoolie? Like the little mascara brush, it's like really thick. So look at how thick this brush is. I love myself some thick brushes. So now I'm just going to be trying it out. Let's see how my eyelashes change. So this is the before. I can already see a difference, guys. Wow! Look at that immediate change, you guys. Look, no mascara, and I applied some mascara over in this eye. Wow. Oh my god, guys, look at the huge difference. No mascara, mascara. Wow, this is just great, guys. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Guys, this is amazing. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some false lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the result of my eyeshadows. I'm gonna close you up a little bit so you guys can see. Ooh, getting up close and personal. So this is the result right here. I applied this amazing and beautiful eyelashes, and honestly I am digging this look a lot. Okay guys, so for my contour, I'm going to be using the same product that I always use, and this is the Shade and Light Contour Palette from Kat Von D. So for blush, I'm going to be using my Milani Luminoso blush. I'm going to give some color all throughout my face. And for my highlight, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. Let's get that highlight poppin'. Look at how beautiful and pigmented this highlighter is. Like, it's a must-have for a drugstore product. Ooh, ooh. Okay guys, so I've been waiting to try out this L'Oreal product that I showed you earlier. Okay guys, so I just applied the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner just because I think that this lipstick is going to be a little bit too light for my skin tone. It's going to be looking a little bit weird. So basically, I'm just going to put this lipstick on the center of... I'm going to be using this lipstick and I'm just going to be applying it on the center of my lips just to give it a more ombre effect for the lips today. So this is how the lips turned out to be. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up. Yay! So guys, this is the final result of this fall-inspired makeup tutorial 2018. I really hope that you find all the video useful and entertaining. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and interact with me in the comments. And leave a comment down below telling me what's your favorite thing about fall. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!